Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Karan and I am from Bihar. As you know that I took 30-day challenge to improve my English, and this is my I think 16th video, and right now I am recording myself in the evening in my room. So if video quality is not good, then please forget about it. Matter is to improve our English. And you know that my second channel is deleted. I don't know why. If you are interested to learn English through the story by like cartoon story, then you can subscribe my next channel, and my next channel is beginner with English. So if you new on this channel, so please subscribe this channel. And right now I am improving my English day by day, and I realized that yes, my English is improving. And nowadays I am only not doing hard work, only I recording video and uploading on YouTube. I used to record daily myself in English, and I want to improve my English only. I not want to get fluency because this is not possible in 30 days. So in these 30 days I only want to improve my English, not want to become fluent. And this is evening, and right now 6 o'clock in evening, and right now I am recording myself. As you can see, this is my room, and right now I am sitting on the table. And if you have any question, then ask me in the comment. I must try to reply your comment. And I am beginner, I am learning this language. If I do mistake in this video, then please forget about it. Or if you are, I think I want to say that if you are beginner, then please subscribe also. And if you speak English better than me, then please correct me. If I speak any wrong sentence, then please correct me. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for giving your time. Stay connected with me.